Hey there! Today's video is going to be Valentine's themed, as you can tell by my decorations behind me. I got inspired by these Valentine's Day Pillsbury sugar cookies. You get these seasonal. I did post on Instagram some Halloween ones I made, so these are inspired by those. I thought, why not recreate the seasonal ones? I will probably be doing more of these, and if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below as well. As always, the recipe and everything you're going to need is in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these sugar cookies. We're going to start by getting our 8 ounces of butter and softening that up. Add in your sugar and a pinch of salt as well, and combine this well. And then add in 1 egg and mix it well. Add in your vanilla extract as well, combine it all well, and then we're gonna add in our flour a little at a time until it all starts to come together. Once it holds its shape, form 2 discs and wrap that in plastic wrap or parchment paper. Stick it in the fridge for about half an hour to chill. And once it's ready, take it out. I'm using a bench scraper to divide this. I cut it in half, and then half of the other half I divided up to make one side pink and one side red. And once you're done dyeing these, just set them aside. And then we're gonna roll out our regular dough, and you're gonna wanna get some cookie cutters, some circular ones and some heart-shaped ones. Get them about the same size so that when you punch out the hearts from the middle, it's about the same size as the regular cookie. So here I'm just punching out my circular cookies. And then once you've rolled out all your circular cookies, get your heart cookie cutter and just place it in the center and remove the heart shape from there. And I did this with a smaller size as well as that larger size. You can do any size you want, as well as any color combinations of these cookies. You can do the circular cookie red and the inside white or anything like that. It's up to you. So here I'm punching out the pink sugar cookie dough and placing those hearts in the center of my cookies. I did the small ones and the large one. Now at this point you can put them together on your countertop, or you can get a sheet pan with parchment paper on there and place them on there and assemble them together. Here I'm rolling out my red cookie dough to punch out the small hearts and the large hearts, as you can see. And then here I'm just placing the large heart in the circle and the smaller hearts in the small circle. Now set your oven to 350 degrees and these should bake from 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. Once you notice them start turning golden brown, you know they're ready. And here I'm using that bench scraper to move the cookies that I put together. Now these don't spread, so they don't have to be too far from each other. You can keep them pretty close and fill up your sheet pan. Here are the red ones and here are the pink ones, and both of them together. And that's how you make these heart sugar cookies. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest another video, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of these cookies and everything I make, I do post on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and now on Snapchat. All the links are down below. And under Snapchat, you can find me as bakergirlsteph, same as my YouTube URL. If you enjoy baking videos and you want to keep seeing more recipes, hit the subscribe button down below as well. And until the next one, stay sweet.